Yeah, it's very, very exciting actually over the last 3 years since a documentary went viral around the world called Watch the Water during the COVID-19 pandemic. I had placed at the end of that documentary a list of all the antidotes for all things COVID. And the very first thing, and the first time most people even heard about this, was nicotine is the perfect antidote for almost every symptom called COVID-19. And this was published by research scientists who did DNA confirmation testing in all people who had COVID-19 symptoms and PCR tested positive. When they analyzed their blood, urine, and feces, all of them had these very toxic, deadly spike proteins that they discovered were targeting nicotine receptors. And as early as April of 2020, research scientists starting in France started telling the whole world and publishing these in medical journals. Nicotine could be the one thing used to stop the pandemic within 1 week if all governments around the world would just make sure nicotine gum patches and other agents were circulated to their citizens. And then that was completely ignored by the American federal health agencies, Dr. Anthony Fauci. They continue to this day to promote a lie that smokers and users of tobacco products and nicotine are the highest risk group for getting COVID and dying from COVID, when the very opposite is what has been published by every medical journal and scientific paper for the last 4 years, shockingly.
Come at Health now to be part of the future and get your free eye doctor today.